Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get bananas in Green Hill. This is going to be especially useful for filling your body with carbohydrates, which are essential for your body function. So, to begin, first of all, go into the forest as usual and find this type of a tree, which is going to look like a little palm that is not really grown. And once you see this kind of pink, reddish kind of flower or fruit looking thing sticking down from the tree, just go ahead and aim above it. And here you'll see some bananas. So just go ahead and press E to take them. And this plant is going to disappear. Also, the tree is going to respawn the bananas after a while. And you can reuse it to have unlimited supply of bananas. Then to just use them, go to your backpack and right click and hold and select the eat. And if you want to make banana seeds and plant your own banana trees, just go ahead and right click and hold and select the harvest option. This is going to make you some banana seeds, and then to plant the seeds, just go ahead and make a planting box and plant the seed inside of here by holding your backpack and drag clicking the seed to the box. Also, if the banana goes spoiled, you can use it as a fertilizer to make it grow faster. So this is pretty much all how to get bananas in Green Hill. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.